guys, I'm Vanessa again, and we have here to showcase to you, this is a wireless headset. As you can see, that is the wireless headset. As you can see it, and this is, and it is flip. You can flip it. Yeah guys, that is, flip it like that. Like that. That is the wireless headset, as you can see on. And this wireless headset, guys, as you can see it, this is you can use it in your work. You can focus in your work, and if you are listening music, it's good and extremely flexible. Guys, there's a high speed 40 millimeters and the frequency connection. And as the instructions say, this is charging is not possible, and show a flashing red light if charged with over 5V. Please use a charging adapter with a voltage at 5V or less. That is the instruction, guys. So this is really good, and they have instruction here, and this is also included in this headset, guys. This is good for the gamers, for the workers, and for those people who are tutoring. This is good for cancellation for the noisy. This is so good kind of wireless headset. What are you waiting for, guys? Check the details below from the Banutum wireless headset, guys.